What was the Argentine debt crisis and restructuring? Have you ever wondered how a country can find itself in such deep financial trouble that it defaults on its debt? The Argentine debt crisis is a striking example of this. It peaked between 2001 and 2002, marking a significant chapter in the story of global finance. This crisis stemmed from Argentina's struggle to manage its growing foreign debt and maintain a fixed exchange rate system. The roots of this crisis go back to the 1970s. During this time, Argentina accumulated a large amount of debt, mostly in US dollars, while facing rising oil prices and economic mismanagement. The 1980s were particularly tough for Argentina, known as the Lost Decade. The economy shrank, and the country had a hard time generating enough foreign currency to pay off its debts. In the 1990s, the government tried to turn things around with market-oriented reforms. They liberalized trade, privatized state-owned companies, and pegged the Argentine peso to the US dollar. While this helped stabilize the economy initially, it also made Argentina vulnerable to external shocks. By the late 1990s, the situation worsened. The government faced growing fiscal deficits and unsustainable debt levels. Investors lost confidence, and in late 2001, the government froze bank deposits to prevent a bank run. This move severely restricted economic activity and pushed the country into a deep recession. In December 2001, Argentina defaulted on approximately $95 billion of sovereign debt, which was the largest sovereign default in history at that time. This default led to widespread social unrest and political instability, culminating in the resignation of President Fernando de la Rúa. The restructuring process began in 2005. Argentina offered bondholders a deal that involved a significant reduction in the value of their bonds, often referred to as a haircut. About two-thirds of bondholders accepted this restructuring. However, a group of holdout creditors, often called vulture funds, refused the deal and pursued legal action. This legal battle delayed Argentina's return to international capital markets for over a decade. After the crisis, Argentina saw some economic recovery, fueled by a global commodities boom and shifts in government policies. Yet, debt levels rose again in the 2010s, leading to another major international monetary fund bailout in 2018. The Argentine debt crisis serves as a powerful example of how long-term economic challenges, policy decisions, and external factors can lead to a country's financial downfall. The restructuring involved significant debt write-downs and legal disputes that shaped Argentina's financial history and offer lessons on managing sovereign debt and the risks associated with fixed exchange rate systems.